Hey everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to delete or remove your saved places or saved trips on Google Maps. What you have to do is go to Google Maps on your desktop or mobile phone and make sure you are already logged into the account. This should be the same account where you have already saved your trip locations. Now go to the left corner, open the menu bar, and click on Saved. This list will appear, and here you will see your travel plans. I'll click on it, and this is the only location I have already saved in my trip plan. To remove it, simply click on the cross or delete option, and it will be removed. So this is how you can remove your saved places from Google Maps. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.